this video from Doctor Lock. Today we're doing a Volkswagen ignition. This is the new ignition with the existing barrel, so I'm going to put this back together. So this Golf is back together, so we'll just try it. So we're doing ignition, and we're also doing a spare key. So we've done a spare key now. We'll just lock the car, unlock the car, by the other remote. There we have it, so we'll just start it. And there we have it, that's the original key with the original barrel. And then we're going to use the aftermarket key. I just may cut the code. Now we have it all programmed to the car. 2 keys now to the car. And if you're in Brisbane or the Gold Coast and you need your ignition fixed on the Volkswagen, 0413 120 444. And if you need a spare key done or all keys lost to your Volkswagen,